Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Reppo token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Reppo is a decentralized AI training data network designed to coordinate the sourcing, validation and monetization of data labeling and annotation using prediction market. The network is powered by Reppo protocol, an open incentive framework where enterprises, model developers, researchers, and data contributors can participate in life cycle of AI training data without relying on centralized intermediaries. Its core objective is to create a transparent and programmable system for producing, verifying, and compensating high quality data that support model and agent training, benchmarking, and continuous improvement. Repo token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 170.71 million Repo token. Repo token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.